Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you for the time. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Sari Utari. Can you call me Sari? And I would like to present my study is about implementation of forces teaching strategy in teaching singular and plural using speedy grammar. Okay, let's go. This is the turning point. We have introduction, review of the related literature and method, and then we have finding and discussion, and also the last is conclusion. We have to go first the background of the study as the government instruments number 57 about an article in an article 35 about the curriculum, and Hudson and Waters about lesson plan. Yeah, because we know that lesson plan is a root of the plan when we teach something in a class, especially English. And then after we have the curriculum and the lesson plan, we will go to the strategy. Yeah, sorry. Ngalimun said that strategy should give an attention in teaching and learning activities. So, based on the problem before, yeah, we have a problem statement. The first is what are the type of forces strategy of teaching itself, and then how to implementation in singular and plural. Absolutely using speedy grammar, yeah. Forces strategy here describing it's according to 21st century skill by partnership for 21st century learning. Yeah, in 2012 there are 4 type of forces. The first is communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and then creativity. So what are they? Communication, it means that teacher give information, instruction, for the example opening activities, and then collaboration, we make the teacher make a group and the student must have a job on that group, yeah, and it can be responsible in other group. And then the third one is critical thinking. Okay, we have a speedy grammar as a media or as alternative tool to deliver the singular and plural. Yeah, and there we will finish 4 mission like article, irregular, a, an, the, and determiners. And the last is creativity. Okay, I will explain more at the next. The significance of the study, yeah, in the pedagogy, practically and theoretically. And we have definition of the key term here, forces strategy by partnership, strategy in teaching, yeah, strategy system in education to teaching activities to achieve effectiveness and teaching in teaching, yeah. And also the article and plural. Why article and plural? Because in syllabus language middle grade 2013 said the main of the material state that singular, there are a singular and plural noun such as an, this, those, and etc. And then we have speedy grammar. Okay, so speedy grammar here is from Wobble Monkey Games, yeah. The outline of the study. Okay, chapter 1 we have introduction, and then background, and then method, and then problem statement, and then chapter 3 we have the method, and chapter 4 and 5 this one, the result and conclusion. Yeah, we have review of the related from Prastian 2014 about speedy grammar, aplikasi game untuk meningkatkan kemampuan tata bahasa Inggris siswa. In focusan grammar and object 20 student and compare the student. Okay, this is a experimental class and control class, yeah. So the results is conclusion state that speedy grammar game application can be used to solve the problem when learning English grammar. And then we have the next, Febriani, okay, conducted a study entitled the application for teaching strategy in who was involved and kinesthetic approach. This is about 4C skill, yeah, such as communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity, yeah. And the result, we have a problem face the teacher and the student, like limited use of tool on learning, online learning, and etc. A lot of internet quota, yeah. And then we next to Megaib MM 2014 in International Academic Conference Proceeding Bali. Yeah, the method collection is writing test as data. It is about English writing, yeah. It is about grammar. Okay, the problem were mostly in grammar, such as article, singular, and plural, yeah. There are problem of that. So we go next to the previous literature. Supenai, Darmuki, and friends influenced 4C, but this 4C focus on constructive, critical, creative, and collaborative in learning model on study learning outcomes, International Journal of Interaction. Yeah, the method by multiple choices test, yeah. And this, the summary of the study suggests the 4C learning model that would influence the student learning outcomes. Between the other study or the previous study, I have a uniqueness of in my study. The first, this is an implementation 4C skill in teaching singular and plural. And next, try to make the material in game situation. So this is a game base, and give student a real assignment in one time, yeah. And the writer use USE questionnaire, stand for usefulness, satisfaction, and easy to use. Okay, we have the chapter 3. Okay, research design. Kay state that the script's research involves collecting data in order hypothesis or answer questions concerning the current status of the subject of the study. And then descriptive research, yeah, that's the only the same for the previous slide. We go to the data search. I have primary data and secondary data. Primary data meets the obtained directly conferring document, and then secondary data stated by Miles and Humberman in Sugiono 2013. Secondary data which are needed to support the data, yeah. Okay, the technique of the collecting data. Sugiono stated that there are 4 how to collect data, such as interviews, observation, questionnaire, documentation, and triangulation. Okay, in the study, the writer collected the data, used questionnaire and interview of the English teaching middle grade. Yeah, questionnaire and interview. Okay, we're going to the finding and discussion, yeah. Okay, we have implementation itself, yeah, and then the result. The writer used categorization and interviewed. The study was obtained at 13 of June 2022 and in SMA 1 Kedungwuni. The objective of the study were the 6 of middle class of MIPA 2. The student did the mission in the speedy grammar, while the teacher or the writers as a facilitator and evaluator. And then this is the planning. Yeah, it's the same with in the previous slide, I think. Section 1. Yeah, section 1 means Communication means that data happened in this activity. Communication between student and teacher, teacher and student, student and students. Because this is a group, yeah. The mission finished by group. Okay. And then rules. The teacher gave the student about the rules of the game, and there are creativity and critical thinking. Why creativity? Because this game have a uniqueness, such as this is a game based and display by puzzle, so the student can arrange the words by words to make it a sentence. And critical thinking, why critical thinking will be held on here? It was held on here because in this game just have one time, so if the student failed to finish, they must be start again. Yeah. For example, like the student arrange word by word to make a sentence in singular and plural sentence, yeah, by using singular and plural noun. Teamwork, because this is a teamwork. In the student must be faster as soon as the student been finished. Section 2 is teacher as the timekeeper. And the last we have a Q&A. Most of the student feels like their advertisement is bother them to finish more faster. Okay, before we go to the categorization to obtain the data, we have main to find out the average results obtained from the questionnaire data. In statistical data, the average were called arithmetic mean marked with the symbol M. Okay, we have sum of the score, and we have N here, and here 36. So sum of the score, all of the score of the student divided by N. N means object here, the student of middle class, there are 36, and we have men 34.75. yeah. And next we must get the standard deviation. Standard deviation here's SD value with the formula follows the quadrat of, and we have standard deviation. To look the standard the next we have standard deviation. We looked for standard deviation value, and the result is 2.97. yeah. Okay, this study was obtained in June, yeah. And then the categorization, yeah, the categorization. After obtain the data and analyze the data and looked for mean, standard deviation. Okay, look for mean and standard deviation. So we have X, yeah, X more than or equal 37.69. in medium, X less than 37.69 or more than or equal 31.78, and the low categorization in low less than 31.67. Okay, this is the tabulation of the data. Yeah. Okay. X1, X2, X3 is item of the questionnaire, and then score here score of the items. Yeah, from the 35 item, and then 36 students, 5 item, 36 student, from the 50 item and the score and 36 student, we obtained this. The writer obtained the data as about 10 items were medium. Yeah, 10 items were medium. 4 items have high categorization, and 1 item have low categorization. It indicates that 36 students is in the study about how to implementation for SIS. Using this application is good enough to implement it in the class. Therefore, the application is one of alternative for teacher to deliver the English material, especially singular and plural, yeah, in grammar. After the interview, it can conclude that speedy grammar is good enough to implementation this strategy. I mean forces strategy, which is this application is simple and displays speedy grammar is which have several type, yeah, not only just one type, but it based on puzzle game and make a teacher more effectively when the teaching and learning process. She said, the teacher English said, yeah, and then the application was not too expensive. Yeah, meanwhile there were an internet data which bothered the student when finished the mission, and there are an advertisement that bothered the student before go to the main mission. It took more time, yeah, it took more time to finish. So we have the solutions is we had to be critical to finish this and to face the ad, to face the internet data, and etc.